Hi, thank you for your interest in learning more about our 50-point legal business checkup. David, I'm going to jump right into it with you. David is one of our top attorneys here at the firm, works with a lot of businesses, and tell us a bit about the 50-point business checkup. Why does somebody need it, and what is it?
Sure. You go to a doctor on an annual basis, possibly to get a physical, to check your overall physical health. You go to an auto mechanic regularly to check on the health of your car. Your mechanic performs inspections for you. You go to an accountant or a financial professional every year to talk about your finances, to do your taxes. You do all that, it makes perfect sense. It makes perfect sense if you're a business owner to come to an attorney like myself to have a inspection or checkup, as you will, on an annual basis. Laws in every state change every year. It makes sense every year to come in and have an audit and due diligence review of your business done from a legal perspective.
So what do you see when you do the 50-point checkup? What are some of the exposure areas, and then how does the 50-point checkup work, and what do they get at the end of it?
Businesses are exposed via a number of ways. They're exposed when they do business with vendors and customers. They're exposed to wage and hour claims from their employees, harassment claims by their employees. They're subject to all sorts of liabilities and litigation, ADA claims, things that could potentially bring down a business. And no matter how well you do your record keeping, no matter how well you maintain and enforce your internal policies, no matter how well your systems are and how good you operate, it's just a fact of doing business in this day and age, you're likely going to get sued. And when you get sued, it's best to make sure that you have your ducks in a row so you can better prepare a defense and hopefully get out of these claims or deal with them in a cost-effective manner that doesn't destroy your bottom line and cause undue pain for yourself and your loved ones.
So when a business comes on board for the inspection, you're going to be looking at some detailed areas and then delivering a blueprint at the end of the process?
Yeah, that's correct. We're going to do a full 50-point audit and due diligence review of the entire business, all the way from the entity structure, how the assets of the business are held, to their employee manuals, books, policies, record keeping, corporate compliance, and take all that and put it into a set of recommendations, a set of areas where we see that may be problems or things that need to be adjusted or changed perhaps, that we call a blueprint. And that's a blueprint for you to fix those things and not only maintain your asset protection ability, but also add value to your overall business.
Love it. If you're interested in learning more about our checkup, please click on this page and you can schedule a call with David for an initial complimentary assessment. You can learn a bit more about your business. You can learn a bit more about the process. We'd be honored to help out. David, thanks so much.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot.